Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Deepu's Decoder. Let's learn something new today. Today we are going to learn about control templates in Xamarin Forms. In this video we are learning about what is control template and use of the control template, and how to create control template in page level and application level, and how to access control template in content page and content view, and how control template reduce repetitive code in our application. Control templates are used for separate the common UI of the application. For example, if you have a requirement of showing same design in multiple pages, at that time instead of writing same design code in multiple pages, we can write the design in control template. We can use that control template wherever we require that design. So with the help of this control template, we can able to increase the reuse of the code. Control templates can able to create in page level and application level. If you create control template in page level, we can use that control template within that page only. But if you create control template application level, we can able to use this control template wherever we required inside the application. Control template we can able to assign either content view or content page. Apart from these two, we cannot able to assign these control templates to either of the controls in Xamarin Forms application. Let's see practically how to implement control templates in Xamarin Forms application. Here I am opened a blank Xamarin Forms project, and currently I have two pages. One is main page and another one is page one. Let's see how to add control template in page level. If you want to create control template, we need to write control template tag, and we have to give key for using this control template. Here I am giving key of the my control template is local template. Inside this control template, whatever the design we require, we can write it here. Inside my control template, I am created one label with the name page level template. This is the process of creating control template. Here finally we have created control template in page level. Let's see how to use this control template inside the page. Here I have one frame and button. I want to display this control template design bottom of the my page. We have to write the content view tag. In content view tag, we have a control template property. Inside this control template property, we have to assign our control template key. Here you can see that we have a local template key. So this is the process of using control template for content view. Let's run an application and see how it will work. Here you can see that my control template design is displayed bottom of the my button. See page level template one. This is the process of using control template inside the content page. Here we are created page level control template. So in introduction I have said that page level control template we can able to use inside the page only. For example, here I have another page one. Here if I try to use the page level control template, we cannot able to access it. Let's try to access that page level control template. Here you can see that we cannot able to see our page level control template key name. So if we want to use our control template throughout the application, instead of creating our control template inside the page, we can able to create control template in app.xaml page. Then we can able to use that control template throughout the application. Let's see how to create control template in app.xaml page. The way of creating control template in page level or application level are both are same. But if you create control template inside the content page, you can access inside that page. But if you create control template in app.xaml, you can able to access throughout the application. Let's create our control template in app.xaml page. So if you want to create control template, we have to write the tag control template and we need to give key of this control template for using this control template. Here I am giving the key is application level template. Inside this control template, we need to give our design. So finally we have created application level control template. Let's try to access this control template in page 2. Here you can see that my application level control template can able to access it. Let's run our application and see how it will work. Here you can see that my second page have a getting application level control template design, that is application level template. So with the help of this application level control template, we can get our design in all pages in our applications. Up to now, we are learn about how to create control template in page level and application level. And now I have a requirement of showing my channel name in every page of the application. With the help of this control template, without writing common code in all pages, we can write the our required design in control template and we can reuse this control template in every page of my application. Let's see practically how control templates are separate the common UI of the application. Now I am created control template in application level. Let's try to access this control template in all my pages. Let's run our application and see how it will work. Here you can see that we are getting our channel name in first page. Let's go to second page and see. In second page also I am getting the channel name. So this is the use of control template. Here we are just using one label only. But in our practically we have a huge code or huge design. At that time it was very helpful by using control template. So with the help of this control template, we can able to reuse the code.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel The Push Decoder and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.